Please like, subscribe, and share. Implementing proactive sanitation is an effective way for businesses to protect their workers and overcome operating challenges brought forth by the pandemic. For this type of large-scale cleaning requirement, UV light can be used to disinfect packages, equipment, tools, materials, and products. This solution does not use abrasive cleaning liquids that can damage or discolor surfaces. Designed for supporting daily operations, there is no downtime associated with the UV sanitation process. At Larson Electronics, we offer UVC sanitation boxes, ovens, and chambers for rapid cleaning. These units are equipped with UV fluorescent lamps that emit UVC 254 nanometer light. This germicidal UV band eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and other harmful microbes. Customers can choose from several sizes to suit their sanitation requirements at the site. Stainless steel medical grade UV decontamination boxes are available for cleaning small and compact devices or tools. For versatile disinfection, mobile UV sanitation cabinets with wheels and removable racks can be used to clean equipment around facilities. Standard units feature internal racks for holding items during UV treatment. Models with single or variable speed conveyor belts are also available. Please like, subscribe, and share. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.